genotype. And then plant 2, its genotype was big T, little t, big B, little b. And then you had to do a Punnett square cross of that. Does anyone want me to show you what that should look like?
You can look at my.
I want to drop down to normal science.
You don't. That shit's fucking dull.
But I haven't passed one test this year.
This is the first one I have.
I can't like stay in if I haven't passed one test.
Yeah.
That's what matters. That's what matters.
I love this song. You know that from Little Things, Big Things, Bro? You know what that's about? It's about this guy, Lingyari.
Yeah, yeah.
And he, look at that. That's the image. That's the image of the sand being dropped into his hand.
You do history, yeah?
I just find it interesting.
Ready?
From Little Things, Big Things,
Come on,
Bro.
Spotify.
Can I see one of your pedigrees?
Matt. Here we go, Paul Kelly.
I see question 3, this one.
Right. 25% chance. Alright. Sorry. So, guys, that's what your
Hang on. My thing will get copyrighted if you don't force it.
Okay.
So, for question 3, it says how many different genotypes can you get? So what you could do, an easy way to do it, is you basically just identify one to start with. So if you're thinking about doing bio in year 12, these are the sorts of questions that do appear in the exam. So this is a good skill to practice. You look at your resulting Punnett square and you go, okay, this is one sort of genotype. So you go, we've got one of these, and then you cross that out. And then you go, okay, we've got one of these. And then you cross both of them out. Got one of these. Cross that out.
Where are we?
One. What else have we got?
Where are we? Mike Wazowski. Oh yeah, this one.
And then you just cross them out as you go. Alright, and then it tells you that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different genotypes.
And I did that, so I got it right.
Or you could have guessed.
Nice and a roo.
So once you've done that, you can then
That's fucking
look,
chat. Sorry.
You can then look at these genotypes and determine what the phenotype is going to be. Because it has already told you in the first section that big B is dominant to little b. Whenever you see a capital letter, it means that it's dominant.
Yeah.
So you should be able to look at that and say that this particular type is tall and has a black stem. And then that would then tell you the different phenotypes only amounts to 4. So there can be a different number of genotypes and phenotypes. Alright, so the answer to question 4 is B, and the answer to question 3 is C.
No shit.
Alright, can anyone tell me why the answer to question 5 is D?
Because dwarf height and red stem color.
Why would you want to cross it with a plant that has all recessive traits? So
Because if it's recessive, then it will produce recessive, but if it's dominant, then it will produce.
good. Yep, Gabe, do you want to expand on that a little bit?
If the plant 3 is heterozygous, it'll produce some recessive plants, and it'll like tell you that it's heterozygous. But if it's homozygous, it won't produce heterozygous plants that should not.
Yep,
It will
So
prove.
you always want to breed an animal or an organism. If you don't know what its genotype is, you always want to breed it with a recessive
Purebred.
organism, so that only displays the recessive traits. Because if it is a heterozygote in the next generation, it's going to bring those traits out. It's going to be obvious. But if it's pure breeding, if it's dominant, you aren't going to see any of those recessive traits. All right, question.
How did I find the first one with recessive traits?
Because it means that the offspring wouldn't have demonstrated any of those traits.
Oh. Hey, what's up?
Alright.
Describing motion.
Okay, so for question 6 and 7, the answers for both C, and the easiest way to work it out for both of those was to cancel out the other answers. So particularly for question 7, if you look at answer A, it says individuals with group O blood are always heterozygous. Is that true? What does the O blood group look like with alleles? It is, excellent. So O looks like this. And is that heterozygous or homozygous? Homozygous, good. Are individuals with group A blood always homozygous from that table? No, so you can cancel out B as well. What about D? Individuals with group B blood are also always homozygous.
No, but a lot of the time they can be. But see, A and B, they are never homozygous.
That is because?
They share A and B blood.
Excellent. So the only correct answer for question 7 is C. Because it has 2 different alleles.
Ready, set,
For question 8.
to the moon.
The easiest way to figure this out was to do a Punnett square. Does anyone want me to show you what that should look like?
FF.
Red one, yes. Alright.
I get the feeling it'll look like FF. 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 Do you know Effie Trinket?
Dunk it.
No, but do you actually know Effie Trinket? Fact.
Okay, so if you're one of the people that said yes, you wanted to see this Punnett square, that is what it should have looked like. So because the F, an extra finger, is a dominant trait, what it is saying is that 50% of the offspring will produce that trait, Andrew.
Yeah, is it actually? I remember wondering that.
I honestly don't know.
It is because in the science book, it said in the science, the textbook I was reading it, it actually has it in there if it's a dominant.
And if you look, the majority of the population have 6 fingers, so there you
See,
go.
I studied so hard for this test, yet I still suck.
Alright. Question number 9.
Number 8?
What they're basically saying
Number
this
9.
cat's genotype is
Delicious.
this.
Uncle Albert.
Alright, so who wants to shout out some combinations that we could have?
Mint and strawberry ice cream.
Oh, you're asking.
Yeah.
Macadamia and caramel.
Big S connoisseur. Big.
So if we're breaking it down into
Oh, you
cells,
actually. Murray River.
And if you're going for the trio, you can go for Neapolitan. You got your strawberry, chocolate, your
So
vanilla.
if we break that down, what are we going to get? Okay,
Capital S, capital B.
good.
Lowercase s, lowercase b.
Yep.
Capital S, lowercase b. Lowercase s, capital B.
Alright, so the answer to question 9 is C. Because it is telling you that basically you need to have a copy of one of each of those alleles for the different traits. So you need to inherit
I made the same mistake in my actual biology test.
Alright, so for question 10,
Yeah, Harry, we're catching the same.
if we're looking at the difference between the offspring in the first column and the second column, what is that telling us?
question. 27.
So how about we have a look at the numbers for inflated pod shape in experiment 1.
Can we just sit
Is it
quietly and
smaller
listen
or
to the
bigger
rain?
than constricted?
Much bigger.
Much bigger, okay, good. And then what happens in experiment 2?
Experiment 2. In experiment 2, there's 152 yellow offspring,
Yes.
and there's 428 green offspring,
Yep.
and there's a bit more than half of the total people, peas shown in the second experiment.
So would you say in that instance, green or yellow is the dominant trait?
Green because green.
Green
What?
because green?
Yep.
Because there are does more numbers though, and this relates to a question later in the test, does a higher phenotype necessarily means there are more of those alleles?
Well, you
In
got to
a
look at it
population.
proportionately.
Not proportional. For this experiment, perhaps. Okay, so the answer to question 10 is from that information, the only thing that you can say with certainty is that inflated pod shape is dominant to constricted pod shape. So the answer is B. Because the other answers aren't quite right. Similarly, you could just knock them out based on how accurate they were. Alright, question 11. Because it is relating to dominant and recessive, you could have people displaying a phenotype or dogs displaying a phenotype with either homozygous or heterozygous. So the answer is D.
Is this number 11?
Yeah.
I did D, and you said it's wrong.
If so, I apologise. Change.
Oh, get one more mark.
Quite frankly,
Will that bring me forward? What question was it?
hey, Andrew. Quite frankly,
Statistically, I'm not
GG.
everyone, so everyone should just
yeah.
Alright,
Andrew, give him one of these.
question 12.
40%.
Okay, question 12. The answer is
B.
I'm still there's hope.
the answer is B, and why is it B?
It's B, cause of PP.
Was that question 12?
Alright, so
We
for
got
question
test.
12, the answer is B because
No shit.
Dennis has an unaffected child, so he has to be a heterozygous. Because if it is dominant,
What?
if it was a homozygous dominant genotype, he would give it to all of his kids. Okay.
Also, since we learned earlier that it was dominant,
Fuck.
Joan, or Joanne, or whatever, doesn't have it, so he couldn't be homozygous, right?
Yeah, that's another reason too. Good. So what Gabe has just said is because his mum doesn't have it and we learned that it's dominant, we know that. Thank you, Kurt and Harry.
Sorry?
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Because Joan does not have it and it's a dominant trait, what it is saying is you must have one of each. Alright, question 13. Fitness in regards to natural selection can be described as the ability to produce viable offspring.
Oh.
This is essentially the definition of the species.
I
This
got
would have come in very
Well,
handy later on
Not
in the test.
literally. You gave this question to us in the pre-test, and I was really pissed off because I forgot it. But then I made sure that I got it right in this one.
Alright. And similarly, question 14, the answer is C because you have to prove that it can't make. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. You have to prove that it can't produce fertile offspring with already known species. And question 15, the answer is D because the closer it is on the tree, the more related they are.
Are infertile humans a different species?
That's the one I just got with you.
Okay.
Alright.
Andrew liked that one.
For the short answer section. The type of cell division. You didn't need to list
Holy
the
fuck, I
stage.
got that right.
It's asking you the type. So if you said prophase, anaphase, metaphase, anything like that, you wouldn't have got a mark. It is simply asking you whether it's meiosis or
I
mitosis.
put mitosis first and then I crossed it.
So it is meiosis.
I put meiosis first.
My fingersis.
The process, you needed to say
My
either,
fingersis. Mitosis.
you need to say either crossing over or recombination. Alright, for the 2 marks in part 2 of question B, the 1 mark, you needed to say that crossing over leads to variation from parents, and then for another mark, you needed to say that it basically has an increased survival chance of the species. So you needed to explain it thoroughly.
So if you said the word fit,
What is the outcome of the
you get a mark.
Alright. With the blood types, you needed to reference for half a mark. You needed to reference the phenotype. So the dad's phenotype is Rh positive, and his genotype can be either 2 capital D's or a capital D and a small d. So that's only 1 mark. The second mark needed to relate to the fact that the child can be heterozygous.
Dude.
So it can have inherited it from both parents.
I love how you do it.
Okay. Question 3. A lot of people got this question wrong. Question 3. Okay.
I almost got it right.
Alright,
Nicely done.
At least that is mine.
What you need to consider, guys, for question 3 is where children get their sex chromosomes from. Okay, so because a woman has this and a man has
Triggered.
this as their sex chromosomes, we're talking about 2 healthy, normal phenotypes.
Normal.
Did you really
Triggered.
ask about
Roasted.
Okay, so what this means, guys, what this means is if you are a girl, you inherit 1X from your mum, and you inherit 1X from your dad. So you get 1 of each. And the
When you
same
say
applies
that
for boys.
X, shiny.
So the boys will get 1X from their mum and the Y from their dad.
2x squared equals y.
So
Dude, Lewis.
what
2x
this is
squared
saying,
equals y.
thank you, Leo. What this is saying is
We're
you've got a
talking about-
male that is carrying the dominant trait, so he has it. So he has got it, whatever you say, and then he breeds with an unaffected woman. So it means that she is going to look like this.
Ah, so all the girls will have it.
So all the girls will have it, but not the boys. This was the key point. So your pedigree should have looked like this.
Oh, it's excellent.
Give him a smile, Curtis.
Oh, I got the first one.
Kurt.
I got the top one.
Aw.
Yeah,
Hey.
there was 5 marks in it.
Fucking random people on the internet.
Are you live streaming?
Yeah!
Stop internet.
Right.
Describing motion.
Yeah, can we get half a mark if we got like 90% of it
So
right?
the marks that were allocated for this were 1 mark for correct pedigree and 1 mark for actually showing a symbol section as well. So
Guess who
you
popped this?
have-
Guess who popped
The HHR represented by
That's fucking
what?
No, I think.
Can I see yours?
Yeah, okay.
You're a fucking genius. Yeah, well, can I have a suss at yours?
Have a quick peek. Have a quick peek. Give it a good.
Yeah, well, you have to do like. No, but she doesn't say we
I
have to show
started
the
off
data. I mean, I did show the data, but it doesn't say we
Look
have
at mine. I didn't even know which was the boys and which was the girls.
Alright,
Wait, well, it doesn't say that we have to.
That right as well.
so
But on the other one, it's.
if you remember distinctly, guys, when we did the last quiz, it didn't tell you had to show this, but this is something you always have to show.
I did show. Miss, I got it right, you just can't tell. Because
Because I changed my boys and girls halfway. Like I added a square and a circle.
Yeah, I got it right. I got it right, but you can't tell.
Wait. On this one, it doesn't specifically say we have to show the genotype, though.
No, I haven't asked you to show the
That's
genotype.
fucking stupid, Curtis.
Yeah.
So if the shade
I
is
just
not
changed
correct
them
and
all.
you don't have the key, then you don't get that.
Why do we not have a key for the other one?
Because it's showing the genotype, so it's already telling you if you've got it or not.
Oh. But how come they didn't put a key?
What waves are these?
Because you asked to show the genotype. This one, the shading is the genotype.
It says up,
It
wait.
shows you the same
I gotta
information.
beat it.
I am not happy.
Oh, don't tell me I was
I'm not happy.
It says up, wait.
Okay,
Have you played that game on
the
Miniclip?
next question, guys. The mode of inheritance is autosomal recessive. You got half a mark if you said either of autosomal or recessive.
Hey, I said recessive. I didn't get half a mark.
No, I said autosomal dominant.
Can I get half a mark? Saying recessive? Got half a mark.
Right.
40.
Like she's thinking. Hey. Oh, here I didn't put a key. I got you.
The first reason that it is recessive is that parents 2, 5 and 2, 6 are unaffected, so you can refer back to your pedigree, but they have an affected child. So if you said something along the lines of parents who have it do not pass it on to their children, you would have got a mark for that. And the reason that it's autosomal is that the mother of 1, 2, so at the very first generation, does not pass the trait on to all of her sons.
That's no chat. That's chat. That's fat.
If
Close
you
that.
said something along the lines of males and females are all equally affected, I gave you a mark, but in future you need to be more specific than that, Angus.
I got half a mark, but I said it's not sex-linked because the male father doesn't have it, so it can't be sex-linked recessive.
It can be sex-linked if it's with a woman.
Yeah, but I already know it's recessive, and so it can't be sex-linked recessive, so it has to be sex-linked, can't be sex-linked.
So you're arguing separate reasons, you're not arguing together.
No. You
Alright,
it's not fair.
question 4. For half a mark, you needed to say that black is dominant to brown, and then you needed to say that heterozygotes can produce black or brown offspring for another half mark. So if you said something along the lines of a dominant trait is shown in a heterozygote, then that would also
than you with that one.
Oh, yeah, suck my
Right.
ass. Oh wait, I
The
don't think
blood
I did much better.
question. Harry, Kurt, and Leo, thank you. Alright,
Cheers.
so the blood question is where people lost some marks.
6.
Gavin.
Alright,
Gavin.
what are Gavin's possible genotypes?
Killing himself.
Gabe.
That's bad.
Like IA, or IA.
Oh, wow.
Oh, fucking
Okay, and then what about Sally?
Oh shit, it is. Yeah. You heard that guy.
IV, or IV.
Codominance.
I fucking need to go to the toilet so badly.
Alright, guys, as Andrew said, if you'd looked back earlier in the test, it actually gave you what the blood types are. So you could have gone back and actually just basically copied this table, and you would have got 4 marks.
Can I please? Oh yeah, I did
And then
that.
all you needed to do was
I got something.
talk
Yeah, that's right.
about
Fuck yeah.
the fact that they both need to be heterozygotes to produce a child with O blood type. Because what would the blood type be if they were both homozygous?
Hang on. Hold on.
It would be AB if they were
That's
homozygous.
it. That's what I was going to. Can I please go to the bathroom? Thank you.
You could have Alright. Does anyone want me to draw the Punnett square?
Nah.
We know what it should look like.
Yeah.
Wait, what was it? Oh yeah, what's it?
Your pun.
No?
You're a monk.
Alright.
You've got turn it.
Question 6.
How do you know?
The answer for 1 mark is false.
No, it's turn it.
No.
Yeah.
So, the dominant trait is not.
Yeah, you muppet.
By fact that affects male.
Guys,
Yeah, but it makes it look.
Nah.
Can we please have some order in the
We're
court?
talking about.
so we are almost done in getting through
You get
this. The longer it takes you to get
He's
through
good
it,
at
the
it.
more boring this is for you. Alright? Okay, so.
When you get 2 marks or something.
Thank you, Kurt. It is false, and then for another mark, you needed to either explain dominant and recessive, or you needed to say something along the lines of the recessive trait may, in some cases, be carried by a greater percentage of the population because it can basically be hidden in a genotype. It's not necessarily displayed in a phenotype. Alright, for question 7, this is where it got confusing because there is an even number of offspring. It doesn't necessarily say whether the offspring, males are affected or females are affected. Essentially, for the first part, you got 1 mark for each correct generation. So your pedigree should have looked like this. It doesn't matter which way you give the babies an affected trait or not.
How come we didn't need to put a key on this one?
Oh, controversy.
Because you put the genotypes on it.
But if you put the genotype on the other one, do we have to put the key in?
Just ask for the
Just
genotypes.
copy and use your pass.
Angus!
Why are you complaining?
Oh, if the big drops off.
They didn't have to do Punnett square.
No, it's because he got half a mark out of 2 marks.
Yeah.
So he drew the
So
pedigree.
it's 1 mark for each correct generation.
He's one of those people that says just
Is there a correct generation?
Wait,
I know what
or 1/2 of the
1.
Okay.
Where?
If it's
Did you see that photo of look up
That's
look up Atlantic Ocean
Yeah, I watched it basically.
Alright. So this, guys, this was tricky, which is why in the test, apart from the people who sat it later, and for that I apologise, I changed to say that there were 3 offspring with a reptile, which was
How about you guys? Come to
Alright.
Show us some love.
You're almost there, everyone. So the dominant trait is erect ears, and then the genotype should have looked something like that if you rearranged the offspring. It didn't matter because it didn't specify whether males or females were affected. Question 8.
I wouldn't go just to watch.
If a horse and a donkey can breed to produce offspring, no, for 1 mark, it doesn't mean that they are the same species because the definition of a species is 2 individuals that mate to produce viable offspring. So offspring that can also basically have babies. So you just need to explain that. Question 9. This is where a lot of people got half a mark. To get a full mark, you needed to say it is when 2 populations of the original species evolve separately. Kurt and Harry. When 2 populations of an original species evolve separately so that they can no longer interbreed, so they have become distinct species. That's the full mark. If you said something along the lines of the formation of a new species, you also needed to mention evolution. Because that's what the topic was when we started going over speciation.
Oh, that's right.
Do you guys remember that back in day?
Alright, question B is allopatric and question C is question, Patrick. Question 10. A lot of people got 1 or 1.5 marks for a full 2
Whoa,
marks.
Andrew. Fucking
You needed
step
to
back.
talk about the type of adaptation. You needed to say why it would be a benefit, and then you needed to mention survival. So a lot of people just said it would help them keep warm, but what does keeping warm do in terms of their icy environment? Does it kill them off, or does it help them survive? It helps them survive.
Fuck.
Okay, you may feel like it's self-explanatory, but a really good habit for you guys to get into is to fully explain everything. So I promise you, when it comes to your Year 12 exam, that's what will lose you marks. They don't do half marks in Year 12. So don't get comfortable with it. And also your exams are marked by a whole different range of people. So each page is marked separately by different people. So don't rely on one examiner getting to know that you kind of know the information. Like it would be with me. Like I can look at it and go, oh, I think Sophie gets this. But she hasn't fully explained it. So teachers are more generous than the examiners
Shut the fuck
are.
up.
Last question, question 11. You had to choose from population shrinkage, mutations, non-random mating, gene flow, or natural selection for 1 mark, and then you got another mark for explaining it. Alright, can I get you guys to just fill out a quick reflection form that relates to this test? I'm going to upload it to Google Classroom, so if you could jump onto that for me, please, that would be great.
Yeah, this is what anyway. Good for
Yeah. Let's chat. Let's chat.
And I beat you.
So, Miss, if I restart the. If I read this, is it the same one or different?
It'll be the same.
I will.
Wait, is it a different test if we retest?
It'll be the same.
Oh, okay. I gotta get started. When do you want me to do the test?
I will talk to you about that.
One day I'll make
Can it not be next Monday because I've got my maths test that day?
Andrew, why'd you poke me?
I didn't, Lewis.
Alright,
Shut your mouth.
I have just uploaded to Google Classroom a test reflection sheet. Please can you fill it out based on the checklist that is there?
See.
It's a secret that no one will know.
Oh. I wanted you to feel the love then. Feel the love.
Feel the love. I wanna feel the love. Oh, you know what's a good one? Stranger in Moscow. You gotta hear that song. Stranger in Moscow. But not the Michael Jackson version. Okay, let me play you a song. A song that was made many millennia ago. Dude, stop! Respect my wishes, please.
That'll be good.
Wait, that'd be. Wait, you've got a blue one. I got a fucking silver one, bitch.
Put them up.
Including you, Lewis.
Oh, so I was going to right now.
Look at
That's
this,
it.
look at this, look at this, look at this. There we are.
I was going on to as soon as I pressed the internet thing, it came up with that.
Oh, that's right, that's what I was gonna look for. Vintage beef.
Retest life. Is what is 80% of your work? You let it
Yeah, we get bad.
Reach up. I'm over here for a second.
Let's put some tuffy in there and go
Chuk, chuk.
Lewis, come. Look at this.
I love how that. Look, this is a pop song.
With this, it needs to be
Ready?
Yeah, come to the red yeah.
Come on.
I'm not gonna go to the beach anymore. Wait, check Facebook.
Listen to it.
Check what it says. Check what it says.
This is the best definition for what this is.
What?
This is the best explanation for what Yes, elephant. No, it's not elephant. It is Stranger in Moscow by Michael Jackson. Fucking idiot. How, wasn't it royalty free? Wasn't the video meant to be royalty free? What? We just got a song from the 70s. That was our strategy. James, you're fucking.
Do you really want us to write all this down?
I just write this down. Yeah. That's too far. Good call, like, that means.
How does it feel? How does it feel?
The problem is, at school you can tell all the kids that have asthma, you can just tell who's changed, you know what I mean? Like, why has Rosie all of a sudden in one clip changed her, she looked like a boy, why all of a sudden? Isn't that because of asthma? Is it not?
She's never taken it.
And why did she change it all of a sudden?
Because she hung out with the wrong people and dropped a shit ton of caps one night and been depressed ever since. There's your explanation. Because it boosts your serotonin for like a few hours, but then you've got none for the rest of your life. It's an issue.
So you don't drop it when they're...
No, from time to time, but I don't overdo it because serotonin comes back. But not if you fucking fry yourself. Not if you're like quad drop regularly. Does it feel? I reckon I changed for the better though.
How do you highlight in this?
What?
How do you highlight? Look, how do you highlight?
Fucking hell.
Larry, how do you highlight?
Do you want to show you? Yeah.
Dick.
How? Diggity dick.
How do you highlight? Larry, how do you highlight? It's going all over the place. Capture.
Let's count down our top 5 hero quotes.
Right, so I'm still waiting on about 20 people.
How do you highlight? Wait, how do you highlight?
Wait, so we just...
Wait, how do you highlight?
Yeah, the highlighting stuff is actually like a challenge. Like, I'm not exactly the smartest person in the world, but like, it is still a challenge.
Wait, highlight some more, please. How do you do it? So you got that?
Traits appear in a population. Yeah, I get that. I understand this stuff.
Alright, if you don't remember which group you were in for your Wipe Off 5 assignment, it is on the screen.
Lewis.
I'm in a
Oh no, I got second.
Anna instead. Wait, what do we do as a group? Like, all we've done is sit with each other.
So you have to do the experiment part as a group.
Oh, okay.
Each person gets their results.
I can't wait to do it now, anyway. Then we'll be able to work way faster. Yes, we would. Me? No, that's not me. That's probably yours, not me. Because when we're working with people we know,
We're in the wasteland, that's not me.
we can work really fast and effectively.
Not important skill is to learn to work with people.
Yeah, I don't know who came up with that. I mean, if the option's there for you. Now let's think about this one logically. If the option's there for you, why the fuck would you choose another option? I guess the diverging attitudes will give you a new perception on the questions that you're being asked. So it's like people interpret things completely differently, and that's called natural selection. So if you partnered them together, you'd have a completely different set of views that could definitely hinder or improve your ideas.
Alright, live. Get lively, boy. Right, start live now.
I've been live for the whole class, guys.
I can't play a thing.
Right
Oh,
here, you fucking twit. Look, go onto YouTube. I've been live streaming for hours.
This is my special ability.
Identify the strategies that you feel work.
What is going to happen in period
It's whistling.
5 when Mr. Fox gets here is basically to start with, I'm going to do a recap of what we've covered so far. So the formula, what you need to know, distance and displacement. And then we are going to look at the wipe off 5 thing again, at the new section that we should be getting up to. And then I'm going to let you work on that for a little bit. And then at the end, I'm going to give you a short quiz on all the stuff that we've done in physics so far. The reason I am doing this is to make sure we basically keep up to date with topics. Because I feel like often when we do a unit, we just kind of do one section, forget about it, another section, forget about it, and then on the test everything reappears.
Hey, Tony, forget about it.
Building on it, you should hopefully remember it better. Okay, Emma.
I feel like mid-unit quizzes actually make it harder to remember anything at the end.
Okay, I was worried for a second that she was gonna go
Or
like.
it makes you feel like you're done with that and you can move on.
So each one that we do will build on the next one, so it'll be the same stuff, but
Oh.
new stuff as well.
Wait, you mean in the one unit or as a whole? So next test that we have will have a bit of chemistry.
No,
A bit of-
just in physics.
Well, I reckon
Wait,
that'd be
we haven't
beneficial though.
tackled
I think
There's
like
a 10-minute quiz at the end.
Of this
Well,
lesson.
we haven't really done all that. All we've done is
We've done displacement, we've done
I was
speed,
gonna
we've
violently
done
cough in
no
your
speed
face,
is
but I
distance
thought
over
I got
time.
respect for it.
We'll be looking at reaction
I'm sorry,
times.
I appreciate it.
There's a formula there that we'll be using today.
What are we doing?
Miss Mole, Miss, I haven't been here for most of the topic, but it's all good, because I did it at home.
Is that the dance?
Actually,
Yeah,
okay.
I know what I'm doing.
So right, what are we doing?
So right now you're filling that out.
I finished.
It's like E equals MC squared. No, but that is
I
going.
don't mind it. I reckon
Why would I tell you what things?
Dude, can you not joke about that? James, I'm personally offended. Dude, wait, he jokes about it and then he tries to smooth talk his way out of it, but like, you can't smooth talk your way out of your dad leaving for Bulgaria because he thinks Australia is trash.
You gonna go see me again?
Nah, fuck that cunt. I actually made some ripper food though. Fuck yeah.
Bulgarian food.
Yeah. Some of the peasant food.
Like what? Grass.
No, fucking jarred pickles.
I love rotten jarred pickles. Like, if you wait for a long time, I actually eat them.
Waiting on
Awesome,
11 people now.
How many people are in the class?
I think there's 21 here today, and this is 15 not done.
Are you actually gonna look at these, or are you just telling us that it is?
Okay, just don't read the first question in activity 2. You'll figure it out when you read it.
It's not filming the type.
Well, it's the truth at least.
It's like hemp. Hee cones. Hee.
Jesus Christ. Wow. What were you thinking? Oh, that's risky. Risky.
What is it?
No.
Get that.
Oh. Oh. Ronnie, you would though. We all would. You why did you friend?
Alright, can I get you guys to move into your groups, please? If you haven't yet,
Come over here, mate.
used your reflection, you can do it in your new location.
Wait, inbox that. Come on. Right hand, do it.
Get up and move.
Hey Anna, Steph, do you guys want to work on this table? Dude, I originally need to take a piss again. It's fucking retarded.
Right, think about the outcomes of this. How good it would be. Right, imagine at detention.
She's bagging us.
Turn in.
Gabe,
Lewis,
you
get out of
here?
here. Lewis, get the fuck out of here.
Don't worry, guys. I'm moving.
Okay.
How do you find it?
I have a huge heart.
Yeah, Harry, I know you're gonna pop
Probably
it.
like she probably gave it to me. Sorry, I know.
I do that.
This hand against Greg
See,
Dye.
I've dropped anything.
Oh, what the what?
Raspberry for $5.
Yeah, I would. Let's watch top 5 hero calls.
I shared it with you guys.
Oh, he's wishing he held on to that hand. Okay. So, what I've done...
I think we've got on the same issue.
Alright, can we move into our
Oh,
group?
I've lost it. Yeah, I've just done like the first and the second page. That's what I've only done the first and the second
Yeah,
page.
same with us.
Okay, yeah, let's just work on the same one. It'd just be dumb not to.
I'm up to the third page. Reaction. Practice person's reaction.
You
The
guys split into appropriate
well, the thing like reaction time is just how long it takes for the message to be sent to the brain. So just say anything that hinders that ability for the message to get into the brain.
Can you please move?
So like intoxication, sleep deprivation, shit like that. But just say anything that hinders the what when you Wait, sit out.
There?
Yeah, okay, just sit on my table. Sit on our tables. Yeah, right. Join in so if you can sit here.
My knees don't.
Okay, I'll be right back, guys. But yeah, any factors that messages trends.
Attorney has to make the Golden River as well. Red Dog can only win this hand by placing a big enough bet to get right now, Diaries, he wants that supply level to drop because if he wasn't going to drop, he's already made up his mind. He's got to call it. That's what we see. Getting called in situations. This Lila experienced enough.
I'm so tempted to see what his work on fire. I don't send that
Big match with Red Dog. That's what he does. That is an amazing call. But it's not a good play by Dyer because he knows that Lila made his choice of turn. That is a confidence call. Sanders' instincts were correct, and instincts just get better over time. Take Eric Seidel, for example. He's played more poker than you've had hot meals. Eric ate Dmitry Ivanovich's lunch in the 11th Grand Final Super High Roller. We're going to sweat with Eric Seidel here, which means we're only going to see his whole cards. Sweat with one of the best in the world, I love it. Ivanovic completes. Seidel's hand is Jack 4 of diamonds. He's checked his option. I like a free flop with his hand, sure. Only one diamond on the flop. Yeah.
I guess we can do that one.
Actually, I think we are.
Seidel was checked. And Ivanovic checks behind. There's another diamond. Finally.
Oh my god.
Here comes a bet from Ivanovic. 300,000. Totally fine with the call here.
Okay, can I have your attention, please?
Well, Foxy's coming.
Alright.
The river card is a heart.
When you guys are filling out your spreadsheet,
So now we just want
what
a
you
free
should
showdown.
be doing is recording the results for each of you when you do your
I
reaction
think Seidel's
time.
going to get it.
For our home. For them.
Yeah.
Can we
So,
Ivanovic bets 525k. Well, for me personally, this is an insta-fall. I just don't see how we're ever winning here. Yes, we know he tries to win every single pot, but we're losing to some of his bluffs even.
Yeah, but there's a average reaction time.
But Eric Seidel, not me.
Yeah,
He's
that's
a poker player. It looks like he's thinking about heroing.
that's specific to us.
How fast? So are we on to how fast is too fast? Oh, we're already done with that.
But there's a set of data that's average reaction time.
How is it having an alliteration for a name?
He's called with Jack Hard. Makes a call I wouldn't make, and he's right. And wins a pot I wouldn't win. In a tournament I would never be in. Wow, behold the monster at work. That is 5-0 for the old-timer. Urbanovic is getting his...
That's a good call. That's an unbelievable call. Okay. So we can do any form of reaction time. Do you want to just do a computerized one, or do you think that would be more effective?
Says using a 1 meter tool.
Oh.
Design and experiment.
Well, there's not exactly like many tests we can do other than the drop one. We've been mentally held hostage here. We have no opportunity, no choices, no freedom. Let's just test it. Let's just say we do a drop test.
Alright, so we need a. Okay, we just measure.
Yeah, we measure how far it is.
Bottom, so.
So you get the lowest number. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright, and then at the base. And then you measure it from the bottom of the hand. No, but now you're ready for it. We'll see about that. No, you were so ready for that. You anticipated it. You were so ready for that. Okay, one more.
You see a 1 meter rule
It slipped. It slipped. All right. We'll figure it out. Do you want to use those figures?
Yeah.
And what are we meant to be comparing? Okay. You got 19. I didn't even check. Okay, let's just do 3.
Wait, we need to write the message.
Number one. Yeah, no, we can write down the method in a bit. So Annalise got for her first try 19, second try.
Second try?
What are you doing again?
Are you meant to do a second try?
Oh, yeah, we'll just do 3 tries.
No, it's not meant to be me. I'm fine.
3 tries going to that makes it like.
Check, you're not throwing
Take
it
your
down.
arm, Isaac Trudeau, and Joshi Dog.
9. So we're gonna figure out the average of what she got. And then the last one. Oh, that was too good. That was too good. Okay. 9 plus 18 plus 3. That's 30, I think. Yeah, 30.
Slides.
Have you guys been every 2 weeks I'm trying. Every 2 weeks I'm
Yes, Debbie. It's not about those long shots. It's about that.
No, I love this one. I don't know this one, but I love that.
So weird.
These 2 of us.
Do what Andy's doing.
Okay, do you want to get tested?
One for part, one for one.
Okay, you need to be recorded.
We have 5 slides.
It's a shit thing, like jumps down. Can't you do anything new? Okay, then just write it next to it. Yeah, just cut the whole thing down to 10.3 average. Okay, ready? So the first one was 10. Oh, the second one was 5. 10, 5.
Don't even ask her, just do it.
And another 11. Okay, let's go
What's the percentage that are talented?
is 26. Just do average. Just say it. So number 2 average is 8.66.
Are you putting them together? Yeah. No, I can't put it down.
And then you got to test the step.
Yeah. Can I just step?
That was the one where that one. Yeah.
That's not
No, there's like a spreadsheet on your
Oh, that was good. Give me dope. How are we doing?
See, everybody, like, we were told to decide on one test, and everybody's like, you kind of being mentally hostage. You didn't think that it would have So we thought we'd change it up.
How might you justify using your legs as a break rate?
7.3.
So when we're braking in a car, there you go. So if you're when you're finding when you're deciding on a process of data collection, especially in scientific project, you've got to just do research. You've got to justify your method. There you go. That's our application. Great. That's what we're using legs. We're using your hands. So it's not outside the box. Make sure you get that down. No, it's called
and be even more safe.
You got to just do a reaction test.
Take a 5. You take a 5. Someone's going to be closer.
For the
Alright, guys.
Yes. It says using a this is what we're using for this experiment.
We should get a car. We should like have
Have you heard of Occam's razor? The explanation is normally right. In this instance, let's use the simplest test is always right. It says using a 1 meter ruler. It's telling you you have to use a 1 meter ruler. That's not fun.
Don't make this all safe. That's crazy.
Alright, let's use the difference of that.
You get 7.3
What?
Try and drop it for me.
Yeah. I saw you in my hand.
Reduction time. Okay, so here,
You can just say that something will be in the process.
this is different.
Yeah,
In this one, this
Because when they did, you know how residential streets
sorry, this one.
can't you just say take off another 5? What if someone's there and you're still because it's
To do with finding a balance between being able to get somewhere and not. So if you're doing 100 and you do 95, you're still going pretty fast. Okay, now.
Try and get it actually. Hitting it. Like, cleanly take her hair and not in it.
Double check with Miss Miles, don't quote me on it in case I'm wrong.
Sophie does. Sophie, do you trust me?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm assuming reaction distance takes into account distance it takes to react. But there you have to be very.
If you don't trust me, then I'll just steal your stuff.
You need to explain what that means.
well, it means very maximum half-life.
I joked about with Curtis, but it turned out to have like actual reasons.
Is it still on your screen? It's disappeared.
You're looking like a
What did you take?
A wild
bull, like from Asterix and Obelix.
Oh wait, there's that. But where did this go?
I got one.
Can you copy and paste it?
What are you guys doing? What are you doing? What's the issue? Do you need any help?
Disappeared.
Which bit?
Everything disappeared off my screen.
Then just reload it.
What do you mean reload it? It's not gonna be there.
Yes, it will.
It's not. I just reloaded it. Oh wait,
I wish we could just like spend some time just like listening to the rain.
So it's like that, T squared.
Yeah, well,
That means you're going to lose it from put that in the
I'll put that in your pocket as well.
You just get caught.
It's the actual box. It's not a 9, but it's on an air string. And we're sharing the
Press and do, maybe.
Way harder.
Can you guys copy and paste it back in?
Oh yeah, it did disappear. Okay. Yeah.
It hasn't disappeared on mine yet.
Really? Can you copy and paste it out?
Hit the top bit. Not that. No. Not that bit. The top bit.
Which?
Yeah, there. Oh.
Can you shift it back?
Okay, it's still not back.
Okay, I've just copied it just in case.
Okay, it's back.
Oh.
No. The problem is that you can't. Where did that come from? Where did our other one? Okay. Subject. What about intoxication? Can you put that in? This is a different one. It's the same one.
Oh no! What am I doing? Oh no! Maybe. You never know until you try.
Right.
Fuck.
Alright, and Harry, have we collected all our data?
I'm trying to tidy it up and make it look relatively nice. Is it just not worth trying?
It's not worth trying.
Okay.
These doesn't even you can't even write on top of it. You enter it and
It moves down. Just don't try and make it nice. Just put the information in there and go.
the method. So when
And
you
go
write the
quick,
method,
go!
it doesn't even let you enter. So you
Where
just
can
write
we write that? Describe your
I just
method.
copy-pasted it under it.
Okay, I'll write. Do you want me to write the method? Oh, I can't even write. Oh, there we go. Are you?
You can write the method.
Okay. Oh, that's intention. What about method?
Oh, maybe there isn't. Okay.
You're my brother right now.
What's the main distance?
Fuck knows.
Oh, we don't need the distance.
Wait, what? Can we just figure out at what rate the rule would fall at?
I already have the rules information. Yeah. But I already had.
How do you do the average?
Do you guys have a hair tie? I think I should.
I do.
Do? But, okay, if it's holding your pencil.
Collected all your data. Yes.
Wait, how do you get it to do the average for you?
You do equals average. Yeah. Select those 3 cells. Can you drag down? Yep. And then close the bracket. But I think the formula's already in
So I think it's already doing it for you.
What the
We don't
fuck?
need that, our results in the method box. No, you just need to explain what your method is.
Look at this crazy shit.
This is annoying. I'm not seeing that on the method. Really? So this is green.
Well, fortunately.
Okay, I see it.
Curtis, you love bonding, don't you? You love a good bond.
Unfortunately, Curtis, there's a far simpler answer.
Oh.
The better thing is you get the job done in school. I believe so.
It's a record. Every guy, I get shown this
And whenever he's like, so that's like how he gets through school.
Show me your work.
Don't worry, we're not talking about you.
Not this time anyway.
That's fair enough.
We are there. We're getting it done.
It says you're honestly in my
Do you know how to put the formula in?
Wait, why are you doing the method down there? What the fuck is going on?
Wait, hold on, this is yours. You wrote that.
Oh, what? Oh, it says describe your method below. Do you guys have all the data though?
Yeah. Look down. Look down. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wait. Why is it divided by 490?
Where?
Why do you divide the distance by 490?
Oh, she told us something to do with gravity. The force of gravity.
But what if we threw the ruler? Wouldn't it just be a completely different like question? And isn't there like a huge difference between like each of our drops? Like each time we drop it? What's the deal with that 490 again?
It's gravity. It's half gravity.
So that's assuming that the rate at which we drop it.
So gravity is constant on Earth.
So how do we measure? What's going on here? Seriously, like, how do we figure out the reaction time by dividing the distance on the ruler to 490? Because some of our drops might have gone faster than the other. Is that just like
if you let go of something,
yeah,
if you throw it, then that's another force. But if you just let go of it, the only thing that's making it speed up is gravity. Nothing else is acting on it.
And that is gravity. 490 is gravity.
Because the formula is half gravity times time, but it's been rearranged for that particular one.
Okay. But and lastly, how does gravity equal 980?
Centimeters, so it's 9.8 meters squared. So it's 980 centimeters.
980 centimeters.
Squared.
Equals gravity.
Yeah.
It accelerates every second. It gets 9.8 meters per second faster.
Oh, now it makes sense. Okay.
Until the gravity going down equalises with the air resistance going up,
and then it's maximum velocity.
Terminal velocity. Yeah. So when you jump out of a plane, you don't keep
getting faster and faster.
Yeah, eventually that and that. Either
or you could just go bang.
Potentially the early stop. Yeah, it's the point where you don't stop accelerating.
And the heavier the thing is, yeah, also like weight and a couple other factors that affect it. Yeah.
However, we don't really need to model out for this.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, Harry, you're better than what's his face.
So apparently 980 equals gravity. Like they were trying to work that shit out for thousands of years, and apparently it's 980.
What is gravity?
900.
I get the sneaking suspicion it's a little bit more complicated than that. You know, if they just want 980, I'll give it to them.
They're actually what, 490? Gravity? Just in case. I don't
Yeah, you can't dibble dabble with that full gravity. Stuff's scary.
Everyone's actually busy right
Do you want to do the method then? I can do the method.
Don't be mad just because Jake
If you like let go of
Do you want me
your
to do the method?
Wait.
Hey, you have to one have a reaction time for yourself. Don't we just do this?
Like you're too long.
Should we just do the distance? Now that we have the distance, do we just do distance? So 19 divided by 4. I'm guessing
It makes sense.
how do I write it? Substitute.
Do you understand?
You asked me. I
would dream something. Okay, sorry. On your, I can smell it smells so nice. Every time you come past it, it smells good.
That's terrible.
Sorry, okay?
The average human is 0.2.
I mean,
So what?
0.1.
The art party? Is this the art party? Athletics. Yeah, I'm going. That'll be fun. I love it. Okay. Okay, guys, let's just start work. I got 1%. Just do like, it's like you can just do stupid shit. That's the good thing about it. That's how I like. That's how I decide whether I go to school or not. It's like, can I do stupid shit today? What classes have I got? And that determines whether I go to school or not.
I've never missed today, actually.
Cool.
The whole spreadsheet would go together. Like I've done a fair portion.
China?
That's fine.
Oh, I thought you meant it was just like China was just some force that made you not go to school.
Yeah, it's like what is Chinese for?
Yeah, no, I can never come to school. Why? Bulgaria.
I don't feel motivated to come to school.